Hey folks, it's Gail from Seattle Coffee Gear, and it's another coffee collaboration. Well, it's collaborating with some other stuff as well. So it's called the AeroPress Fauxspresso plus Cola. So you make the AeroPress in an inverted method. We're using 30 grams of coffee, and it actually recommended something that was nutty and light. Well, counterculture fast forward is nutty, sweet, and light. So that's what we're using today. Ground to something of the consistency of sugar. And then you put that in there, right? We're going to do the coffee. And then your water at 184 degrees. And we're doing 120 grams in the pour. We're going to tear it out. I always look at this and go, I'm not going to get 120 grams in there, but I am. Actually, I am. Ah, perfect. Then it says stir vigorously for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I've got to get all this coffee off the bottom here. We're just guessing at the 10 seconds. Then it says, let it sit for 50 seconds. Flip, I guess you got to put the lid on, I'm guessing, you know, that might be a good thing, with a paper filter. And this is going to be a drink over ice, so I'm going to flip it and put it over 100 grams of ice cubes, which equaled about 4 cubes, for us anyway it did. Let it sit for 50 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. Then, what are we doing? We are going to do, I have to read this because it's so complicated. We are going to press for 20 seconds. Press harder for crema. Total brew time of about 1:10. Stop here for great 2 shots of fauxspresso and keep reading on. Okay, I'm going to keep reading on. Then we are going to press it into the pint glass, directly onto the 100 grams of ice cubes. Now for the fun part, add 4 ounces of cola. And this person recommended Mexican cola, which we couldn't find any today, so we went for the, you know, you can see what it is. And then put in 1 ounce of half and half or a dollop of vanilla. And then add more ice cubes for taste as you want. So we're more than into it here. We're going to do the press. Faster for crema. I'm going to try that, faster for crema. I wouldn't exactly call it crema. Kind of, sort of. Just saying. Excuse me. 4 ounces of cola. I bet this is going to be good. Caffeine with caffeine. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. A little half and half. The cola made crema. Kind of, sort of. Let's see what it's all about. I bet this is a nice drink. Good for the summer. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Nope. Leo sent this in. Ooh, that's delightful. Ooh, I quite like. Ooh, that's different. Very nice. Wow, what is that flavor I'm picking up on? I'm looking at what's around me to make sure I didn't miss something. That's really nice. I know maybe it's the coffee with the cola, but there's something there that's very special. I like that a lot, Leo. And I bet you that's going to be caffeine on top of caffeine. Woo, woo, woo. Catch me later, bouncing off the ceiling. Thanks a lot for sending that in. That's really good. I quite like that. That'd be a nice summer drink. If it was only summer. But it's not. It's winter here still. Oh well, summer's coming. Does every year. Thanks a lot for sending it in. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And more recipes. Keep them coming, folks. Thank you.